guys, it's me. Sorry, my camera's kind of being dumb today, but so we have our 2 airsoft grenades. We try them out. I'll take you to the kill site. Since I unfortunately have no one to use this on, guess I'll just throw it. Ready? Go! 1, 2. That was the one with barely any BBs. Pretty effective. We'll see how far the BBs range to. See that? Some pretty mad skill right there. Little right there. The BBs radiated to about 20 feet. It's a good old radius, isn't it? Sorry, my camera's a little foggy. Good old radius, isn't it? Okay, let's test airsoft grenade number 2. Come out for that one. Right here. That one was not one of the best, but it still ranged to about 10 feet. It's getting foggy. See, as you can see, there's some BBs out here from that. So I hope you enjoy. This is how to make an airsoft grenade, part 1.5 from The Wolf. The Wolf is signing out.